guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel All That Jazz. I hope you guys are doing well. And in my today's vlog, I will be telling you all about these Pinterest inspired beaded chokers, which is so much in trend. So I will be telling you all about it. How can you get these chokers at a very minimal and an affordable rate? How can you get it customized if you want to? So let's get started. The one that I am wearing is a pearl choker. It is very much in trend. These pearl chokers are so much in trend, not just the girls but the boys who are so much into fashion are also wearing these. I've been looking for these beaded chokers for a quite a long time, और जब मैं ऑनलाइन मैंने देखा तो आई जस्ट सॉ कि यार इतना एक्सपेंसिव क्यों है, इसमें क्या है, छोटा सा ही तो है, एक माला ही तो है. बट देन आई केम अक्रॉस a page on Instagram where this female was actually selling some very pretty beaded mask chain, and seeing those chain, it just reminded me of these beaded chokers. So I just asked her if she can customize these chokers for me. I just actually sent her few reference images, and I've told her that I want my chokers to be like this and this, and she was like, yeah, I can do it, and she did it. So I got two of the chokers customized from her. This one is a pearl choker. It is so much in trend, and the another one I will show you. The another one is also very beautiful. It is multicolor beaded choker, and I've just shared few designs with her, and she made it and she sent it to me, and it came to me within 2 weeks. So yeah, and the prices, some perks of living in small town. The roads are always busy, so please bear me and excuse me and enjoy. These are all beauty of nature. This and the one I showed you, the multi beaded choker, these both I got it from that Instagram page. The link I will be sharing here in the description box. So if you want yours, you can contact her, show the images, or maybe if you want something similar, you can just tell her and she will make it for you. Now the second hack that I'm gonna tell you is for the people who have trust issues buying things from Instagram, because there are a lot of pages that fool people. So in case if you don't really like buying or purchasing things from Instagram, this is for those people. So I also got another chokers made locally. From where? Now this is another choker which is in a pastel pink or a baby pink color. It is not normal beads, these are crystal beads. So this one I got it made from a very local store. Now in small towns we have Sarafa chowks, तो जहाँ पर ये माला बनाते हैं लोग, ज्वेलर्स एंड ऑल जो होते हैं, उनके बाहर जो छोटी छोटी शॉप्स होती हैं जहाँ पर पीपल मेक माला और दे रिपेयर माला, तो उन लोग के पास आप जाओ और आपका रेफरेंस पिक्चर आपके पास होना चाहिए. आप उनको बता दो कि मुझे चोकर्स चाहिए. अगर उन्हें समझ में आ गए तो वेल एंड गुड, नहीं समझ में आ गए तो यू कैन शो द पिक्चर कि मुझे ऐसा ऐसा चाहिए है. उनके पास बहुत सारे वैरायटीज़ के मोती होते हैं, बीड्स होते हैं, तो यू कैन आस्क देम टू कस्टमाइज इट फॉर यू, एंड इट इज़ cheaper and it saves your time at 15 minutes, just 15 minutes, and that's not one, 2 chokers. And these also cost you, the cost of these chokers also starts from 100, pretty much same. And these chokers which I got from Instagram page also starts from 100 depending upon your design. So yeah, and from द सेम लोकल मार्केट से जो मैंने बनवाया था, एक और मैंने बनवाया था. दिस वन इज माई फेवरेट. इट इज नॉट अ सिंगल सिंपल choker. It has few pearls, then it has a golden bead, then it has few light and dark crystal beads. So it's overall a very pretty choker. It looks so classy. So if you want to pair, you know, the best outfit to pair these choker with are ethnic wear. You look classy. You will look so classy. So yeah, people who like minimal jewelry can get these done, get these chokers customized locally. You can also customize from Instagram. The link I will be sharing in the description box, or I will also be attaching pictures of me wearing each choker separately. And yeah, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना. और मेरे चैनल पर अगर आप नए हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना. Till then.